In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Squarespace with AI. We'll move from opening Squarespace all the way to letting the AI generate a starter site and beginning your edits, keeping everything simple and clear. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace. Make sure you're on the official site before you proceed. From the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Enter your account credentials and sign in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, select Create Website. This is where the setup begins. Squarespace will ask you about your site topic. Use the search field to describe what your website is about, like a portfolio, a local restaurant, a coaching service, or an online class. Being specific helps the system suggest a better starting point for your design and content. Click Next to continue. You'll see a screen that asks what you want to do with your website. Check the boxes that fit your goals, such as selling products, publishing a blog, showing your work, scheduling appointments, or offering digital downloads. Choose only what you need right now. You can always adjust these settings later as your site grows. Click Next again. On the next screen, pick AI Website Builder. This tool uses your topic and goals to generate a ready-to-edit website. You may be prompted for a bit more context, like the vibe you want or a short description of your business. Keep it clear and concise so the AI can produce relevant pages, sample text, and image placements that match your intent. After the AI builds your draft site, you can start editing right away. Click on any text block to rewrite headings and paragraphs so they reflect your brand voice. Replace placeholder images with your own photos, or use the built-in image tools for quick adjustments. Use the Pages panel to rename pages, hide ones you don't need, or reorder navigation so visitors can find key information quickly. Explore site styles to fine-tune fonts, colors, and spacing. Small changes here can make the entire site feel consistent and professional. Remember to switch to mobile preview and scan each page so buttons, images, and text look great on smaller screens. As you edit, save your changes frequently and keep your copy short, scannable, and action-oriented. That's it. You searched for Squarespace, logged in, created a website, set your goals, chose the AI website builder, and began editing. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, modern site ready for your audience in no time.